Alright, internet. That's not mine. That's a loaner. But I figured it's a nice little clickbait picture. But no. It's a loaner for the Dodge Ram. It's currently over at the dealership having its recalls taken care of. This thing is nice though. 2020. But we're working on this girl today. 2006 Impala. It's replaced one that was here, another 06 Impala. But this one is in much better shape. And that color really pops on video. Wow. So she's a run errand driver. When I first got her, she had a misfire, bad coil pack. Popped it out of the one car that was here, put it in this one, good to go. I did swap out the seats because if you remember me talking about it earlier, she was missing them. So, junkyard seats, they bolted right up, not the right color, but screw it, they work. What was your mileage? That blender was so goddamn annoying. This was former unit 584 at Portsmouth. As you can hear, she has that weird issue with the key where it locks up. So that's a recall that you had to take care of. I'm half tempted to bring her down for an oil change today, but at the same time, I don't want to. It is really fucking hot out today. She has 152,000. Done a lot of trips. 302 mile range. Full tank, that's right, we filled her up. What's the temperature? I think she has a temperature reading. Huh. Oh, I can program the remote. That's good. You could have sworn this thing had a temperature, but yeah. Shut up, Blendor. Her rear mirror, hi everyone, is kind of shit, so I might replace that later. But the light's gonna work. Cage is gone, and we're off to the junkyard. Don't know why it works. No lights in these. They PD went cheap on these. It's not 1142, it is 1600-ish. I forget. But she has a nice black leather seat back there. Ignore the tools. There was nothing actually in this car. Nothing interesting at all. Like, the only thing that was interesting was nasal spray. And no one gives a shit about nasal spray unless you're suffering from it. But she is still equipped, mostly. She's missing the brain and the head unit for right here. But she has some interesting trunk parts. Again, she's in surprisingly good shape, if not dirty. Oh yeah, these taillights came off the other parts car. They just look better, so I put them on here. Ignore the wing, that's going on to the charger. Meantime, I'll throw you into my really, really messy shed. I'll work on that later. Now, when I first opened the trunk, came a running joke. So, we have the full-size spare, we have the control units and shit right there. But when I pulled up the spare, this one is shot. Actually, no, maybe not. It's got some tread left in it. It's close to being shot, though. So first thing we come across, an entire fuck you box of flares. Then, upon looking back farther, more flares. Ironically labeled, more flares. So that was really funny when me and my buddy were bringing it home, and we found that. But other than that, though, she's just a regular Impala. Again, this was a pretty no thrills kind of thing, except for the flares. That was pretty goddamn funny. Now I have flares in all my vehicles. Getting down here, I'm curious. Cables. Oh, What's this? Taillight pieces. Again, no thrills. Bolts. More no thrills. Oh man. Even a bullet would be damn entertaining, but fuck. This one's just been kind of lax. Right back here. Nada. Yeah, she's a no thrills car. Nothing exciting in her. On the bright side, though, she'll be getting more parts from the car which I scrapped. Junkmen fucked up, didn't take all my shit. Fuck them. But if you notice, these caps here are missing their blackness. I guess I'll call it that. Well, so happens I have now a full set of spares again, which will go on this car very, very shortly. Fuck you, bugs. Again, this car runs great. Idles like no issue now that I've replaced that one pack. Ooh, this one needs alignment apparently, judging by the rims. Out of the way, flares. With the other box of flares. But yeah, she was a no thrills car to go through. But she runs real good. Just very, very dirty. And with one, for some reason, light bar strap. Just a quick video. Nothing, like I said, the other thing that's really going to be replaced next would be this little spotlight because, well, it's kind of a... Okay, it is complete dog shit. It was working. I don't know why it decided to quit now, but what it is, what it is. Yeah, no thrills Impala. Oh, side thing, I found this at the junkyard. So that's pretty nice. But anyway, thanks for watching this little short video. This thing I'll clean up later on and do more shit with, but for now, I'm gonna let her go. Oh, one more thing. She does have a recall, so I'll be getting another loaner car like that beautiful Dodge Charger right there. That is a wonderful loaner vehicle. Sorry, Dodge Challenger. But yeah. Thanks for watching. And this heat's nasty. Fuck me. Have a nice day.